warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, back with me, Lutfi Priyanti. In this video, I will present an article or journal from Mr. Abdul Shahid entitled Open Access Journal in the member status of Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Okay, next.
Okay, next. This study portrays the status of open access journal in the 10 countries joining the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, integrating the data from the ASEAN Citation Index, Directory of Open Access Journal in Scopus, each captured from leaders to narrow angles. This work could take a better full-length portrait of such journal, including some relevant information in the region. In the first index, the 9 countries registered 57 journal over 15 not listed in the second index. In the second index, the 6 member status published 1.623 jurnal, of which 30% upvoted Creative Commons by. For about 2 decades, the have saw publication and registration grow rates over double than the world has. Indonesia could dominate in all but the third index. In Scopus, the journal in the region average below the global averages of all bibliometric indicator, but scholarly output. Despite this, the countries were above the global average in 8 indicators. Over 14 of the 98 journals were ranked in quartile 2. Such a marked contrast between the number of journals indexed in the second index and that in the third and fourth led to the better intra and inter collaboration to give the scientific productivity, hunger, feasibility, and impact. Okay, next. In the figure, I propose Indonesia top. The EAC lists with over 1/3 of the 587 science journal. Better Indonesia and Thailand, the second most productive publishing member status. There was a difference of 16 journal only. The number of journals published in the top 2 countries constitute nearly 17 of the journal reached over 100 journals. Therefore, the top 3 publishing countries in ASEAN published had nearly 19 of the scientific journal in the regional index. Note that 140 people. Democratic Republic did not register a single journal, and neither did the index valid information on the open access status for the index. Taken together, results suggest the ASEAN has excellent to be one of the OAZ publishing envoys in the world. The OAZ are in blossom in the region, but not in all member states yet. Why the ASEAN members countries should endeavor to remove the quality of OAZ by strengthening intra and inter-ASEAN scientific collaboration of them is by making ACI the home of OIZ ASEAN. Okay, maybe this is my video, my present, and my explain. I say thank you very much and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.